Tama na. Tama na ko na. Oh, bye-bye.
Hey guys, it's Mau here. Welcome back for another video. So, for today's video, samahan niyo ako guys to look back our Balabac trip. I say let's look back kasi isang buwan na din since our trip. Medyo na-disappoint lang akong mag-edit kasi maraming clips akong nawala. I mean, a lot of my files were corrupted, but it is what it is. I'll just make the most of what was left na lang. So, I was traveling with my 3 friends. We booked a tour at Camp Malaya for 4 days and 3 nights. That was on June 13 to 16, but June 12 kami umalis at nagstay muna ng 1 night sa Puerto Princesa. By the way guys, ito na naman ako, trying hard to do voice-over kasi hindi ako masyadong nagsasalita sa vlogs ko because nahihiya pa ang ate nyo. But I'll try my best na i-explain sa inyo ng maigi the whole trip namin. Tapos, I started my vlogging journey pa na nagtatagalog. Kaya hala, sige, panindigan mo, te. Ang hirap pala mag-voice over, guys. Like, nakailang ulit ako in just 1 sentence lang. Kaya sa mga vloggers na nagvo-voice over sa mga vlogs nila, naku, isa kayong alamat. I salute you for your consistency. So, going back, 2 p.m. yung flight namin guys at wala pang 3 p.m. ay nasa Puerto Princesa na kami. So, yeah, let's enjoy. I hope mag-i-enjoy kayo sa vlog na to. And kapag hindi pa kayo subscribe sa YouTube channel ko, don't forget to subscribe. And also, if you're watching this video on my Facebook page, follow me for more videos like this. And just like that, nakarating na kami sa accommodation namin for the night. We stayed at Blue Lagoon in Puerto Princesa and sa price niya, sulit na din kasi may restaurant na siya at may swimming pool sa tapat ng room namin. Like sa tapat talaga. Sayang lang at nawala yung video ko sa pool. But if you want more details, search nyo na lang guys. We really enjoyed our night swimming there at may pa-jacuzzi pa sila. So I highly recommend this place if you're planning to visit Puerto Princesa. Good morning everybody. So it's the next day of our trip. Bali, this is the official first day of our Balabac trip, guys. So, sobrang aga naming umalis ng Puerto Princesa. 3 a.m. yung sundo namin. Tapos, mga more or less 6 hours drive pa papuntang Buliloyan Port wherein doon kami sasakay ng boat papuntang Balabac Island. So, yeah, sobrang aga guys. Kaya lahat kami nakapajama lang nang umalis. And dahil 6 hours yung drive, tinulugan ko lang yung whole trip guys. Yung whole 6 hours na trip. Sobrang tulog na tulog ako. And by the way guys, dun sa mga may biyahilo, mag-prepare na kayo, uminom na kayo ng Bonamen bago bumiyahe guys, para iwas biyahilo kasi as I've said, sobrang haba pa ng biyahe. Like that's van trip pa ng mga 6 hours. So yeah, prepare. it's better na mag-prepare na kaysa sa masusuka kayo sa van.
Sila guru. Asa dyan? Sila si Ate. Check ang nasa. Wala ba yung tao? Naka-order ko. May tao?
Okay guys, so ito yung boat na sinakyan namin papunta doon sa first island na pupuntahan namin. As you can see, medyo masikip siya. Hindi medyo masikip talaga siya guys, and hirap na hirap kaming kumilos dyan. Ayan, tingnan nyo, sobrang masikip. But dyan lang yan kasi pagdating namin doon sa first island ay lumipat kami sa ibang boat. So yeah, just to warn everyone na pupuntang Balabac, baka ganito din yung magiging situation ninyo. Magsisikipan kayo. I mean, masikip yung ano nyo, sasakyan nyo na boat papunta doon sa first na island. And this is the first island na pinuntahan namin. This is the Patawan Island. First pa lang guys, pero amazed na kami. Ang ganda ng island nila. Ayan.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel when I'm with you. I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else.
Di ka lagi ka kamao. Basta.
Happy is the perfect word to describe how I feel when I'm with you. I'm at ease. I can let down my hair. We can be silly together. I don't have to pretend. With you, I'm happy just being myself. In your company, I'm never bored. We can have fun whether we're indoors or outdoors. I'm always content in your arms, no matter what life throws our way. As long as we're together, nothing can bring me down. With you by my side, I can take on the world. When I'm with you, I don't need anything else.
Wah, kamao ko na siyang langoy. Oh, sayang daw yung langoy eh. Ay, mga madam. Hello. Oh, basa. Bisa ang tingnan. Apa nilihok ko? Oh, manirog, di ba? Apa na mo pagong, oy? Bilan dito. Oh, nairog, balik-balik. Ay, balik. Hindi ka naman, masam ka na. Dahil maana din ka. Imong panampinana sa buhok mo. Shing, na ba? Masam ka. Sige, te, masam ka. Masam ka dyan. Kapag din sa camera. Maana din ka. Shh, pinana nito. Ang mato. Parang kamaw lang. Makamot ako dira ni mami. Gadolo na tiga ko. Hindi ka kapag dira. Para mo lang kapag. Okay. 1, 2, 3, go. Welcome to Malindi's vlog. Okay.
Kanana mi kay para makaligo na tamo.
Tuyok timo. Kana ma to ba sa natin. Ang kamera ba tuyok hindi? Kamera din tuyok mo. Ano din siya. Kamera din tuyok. Ano ba dito? Diyan ko dito pa yung
Okay guys, so after I think an hour of swimming at Patawan Island, so we headed to the second island, which is the Tangkahan Island, na wala akong video doon. I mean, hindi na ako nakapag-video doon kasi wala naman kaming masyadong ginawa doon. Bali, doon lang kami nag-lunch and hindi kami nakapag-swimming kasi low tide na nung time na yon. So yeah, after lunch at Tangkahan Island, we headed to our base camp, which is the Siktikan Island. Bali, doon kami matutulog every night after ng island hopping for every day sa whole trip namin. So, gets nyo ba guys? So, basta dun sa Siksikan Island yung base camp namin. Bali, whole days of the 4 days ay mag-island hopping. Tapos, every night dun sa Siksikan Island uuwi para dun matulog. So, yeah. Medyo mahaba-haba din yung biyahe namin in between islands kasi malayo-layo no, yung mga islands nila. And medyo na-amaze ako guys kasi may biyahelo ako kung sa Bisaya pa dagaton ko guys, pero wala po ko gidagat sa dagat. So yeah, that's the Siksikan Island. Ayan guys, yan yung base camp namin, and in fairness, ang ganda ng island guys. And in front of our tent, I mean hindi siya tent, kubo siya. Nasa kubo yung accommodation namin. In front of our kubo is the dagat, the beach, white beach. Oh my god, ang ganda talaga guys. Nasa harapan lang namin yung beach and pwede kaming mag-swimming anytime na gugustuhin namin. So yeah, enjoy the view.
Dogo to. Ligo. Ligo na sadta. Ligo na sadta.
Vlog pa natin.
Pabuhat ako yun.
And this is our accommodation. Ayan, actually good for 5 tong accommodation namin. Kasi lang, meron kaming kasama, isang friend namin na hindi natuloy. So, kaya 4 lang kami. And ayan, tingnan nyo guys, yan yung view sa tapat ng aming kubo, which will be our home for 3 nights. And that's a wrap of the first day of our Balabac trip. I think mga 3 p.m. kami dumating sa Siksikan Island. Nag-swimming lang sandali sa tapat ng kubo namin and nagpahinga na afterwards while waiting for our dinner. So, I hope nag-enjoy kayo sa video na to. Again, if hindi pa kayo subscribe sa channel ko, please subscribe and click the bell button para ma-notify kayo every time may bago akong video. And if you're watching this on Facebook, please follow me for more. Thank you so much for watching and stay tuned for part 2 of my Balabac vlog. Bye!